Carefree handover without replacing construction cylinders. With CESrelock, this is possible. During the construction phase, all workers and suppliers must be able to easily enter and leave the building. Quite a hassle for the contractor to arrange. Who needs which key, and will it be returned? At the end of the construction phase, just before delivery, all construction cylinders need to be replaced quickly with the final cylinders. This process is time-consuming, inefficient, expensive, and bad for the environment. There is a smarter way. How does it work? Each CESrelock has 2 generations of keys. As soon as you insert the new keys into the cylinder and close it, the previous keys become unusable. So the cylinders can simply stay in the door after the construction phase. The contractor uses key set number 1 and the residents get key set number 2. The contractor uses one master key for the entire construction project, which they can use to gain access to all apartments. By locking the door, the residents themselves ensure that only they have access to their apartments. Nothing but advantages. The construction cylinder is the final cylinder, even after the handover. The new residents feel safe. The construction company saves time, money, and materials. And it is sustainable. CESrelock, the solution for construction.